Welcome to this beginner ab workout. I'm just gonna say right off the bat that this workout was made with so much love, you're going to feel it in your bones. Let's get started. Our warm-up today is a simple boxer shuffle. You don't have to do anything crazy, just shuffle from side to side like Muhammad Ali. Make sure your abs are engaged. This warms up your whole body. If you need a longer warm-up, you already know what to do. Pause the video, get that in, do not skip it. I'm watching you. I can see you. Let's get started. You're going to get on the floor with supine touches. You're going to be sitting and just trying to touch your toes. It's okay if your fingers don't actually touch your toes. It's the idea of it. Let's get started. Very good. Make sure your ab muscles are working as you do this. You can do that by consciously engaging your abs as you do it, sucking those muscles, trying to feel them. Good. You may not feel them right away, but you will feel them the more you do this workout. Good. Look, your six-pack is showing already. See? Balls drops. You're going to go on your back, bend one knee, and just drop your leg toward the mat. And when you raise it up, you pulse twice before you drop it to the mat again. This is a wonderful exercise to target your lower abs without killing yourself in the process. Go ahead and switch legs. You're going to do the same movement on the other side. Drop toward the mat. When you raise it up, you pulse and then drop toward the mat again. To make this more intense, don't let your leg actually touch the floor. Just approach the floor and go back to the ceiling. Talent. This is talent right here. Good. What we're going to do is seesaw next. Put your hand under your booty to serve as a hinge and just use that to sit up. If you can't do the version on the left, do the version on the right where you're just simply tapping your mat and pulling your knee to your chest. Either way, you're working out. You're doing good. Let's go. If you're doing this version with me, when you sit up, you want to really squeeze those ab muscles to bring your upper body up. You also want to keep that rigid 90-degree angle in your leg. And you also want to say a few prayers just so you survive. Good. Next up, we have a half plank. But because this is a beginner-friendly ab workout, we're doing a half side plank. So you're going to bend your knee like I'm doing and suck your abs in, keep your elbow underneath your shoulder, and just stay like that. Very good. You're doing good. Make sure your abs are nice and sucked in. Make sure your body is straight from your head to your knees. You don't really want your hips to be sagging or hiking to the ceiling. That's good. Just hold it like that. Hold it. A few more seconds. You got this. You can do this. That was perfect. We're obviously going to do the other side. Make sure that your knees are bent. There you go. And just hold it like that. Just stay in that position. This works your deep core muscles, which are so important to have them be strong and cinching your waist in and supporting your back, supporting your body. After this, though, you're getting a break. Did you even see that coming? No, you did not, because you were so focused on the workout, and that's good. Go ahead and take your minute to rest. You've earned it. Enjoy it. I'll be back after the break. Just in case you're new here, my name is Cola, just like Coca-Cola, and I am married, and I have a son, and we live in Indiana, and we have a dog, a Jack Russell Terrier. I'm a personal trainer, and also certified in nutrition. I don't know why I'm telling you all this. I guess what I'm trying to say is if you're loving my workouts, that makes me really happy because I want you to be happy. I'm here to see you win, and I want to personally invite you over to my website, KobokoFitness.com, where I have planned your whole year of workouts for you, so you never have to think ever again about what to do. I have workouts for the intermediate, beginner, and advanced levels, so you pick your level and do your workout every day. No thinking required. Coupon code provided below, and There's a lot of stuff I can't fit into this break period. So just come over, give it a try. It's free to try. And let's just, I think that's what I want to say. I think, yeah, that's it. Welcome back. We are going into track steps. You're in a full plank position and then you're stepping your knees toward your elbows and then stepping out. With this movement, you are going for speed and you want to make sure that your ab muscles are sucked in. This is a wonderful alternative to mountain climbers. So don't tell anybody, but I actually prefer this to mountain climbers 1,000,000 times over. You're doing amazing. Just keep stepping. That's all you have to do right now. Just step, 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 step. Good job. Suck those ab muscles in. Awesome. I love what you're doing. Now, you just gotta hold in that plank position. You can do this. If you could do track steps, you can definitely do this. But if you're struggling to do a full plank, do the variation on the right, which are Sphinx pushes. They will help you strengthen your lower back so that you can more easily do planks. Do what fits your fitness level. Just make sure you're doing something when that timer ends. You're doing amazing. Make sure that your abs are sucked in. Those muscles should be engaged. Your booty is not hiking to the ceiling or sagging to the floor. Say a prayer. You can do it. You can do this. You're almost there. Yes! We're going to do cross reaches next. You're going to lay on your back, bend your knees, and just squeeze your ab muscles to raise one arm high enough to touch your knee. Are you ready? Let's go. Make sure your lower back stays on the mat at all times. Good job. You're doing so well. Keep going. Keep going. Almost there. Good. Now you're going to put your hand underneath your booty because we're doing leg drops. You're going to raise your feet toward the ceiling, drop them toward the mat. To really intensify this, don't let your leg touch the mat. However, if you need to let your leg touch the mat, there's no judgment here. Do what you gotta do. You're doing amazing. You have one move after this and you're done with this workout. You're doing so well. Keep going. Okay, next up we have slow cycles. You're going to bring one knee to your elbow, pause, and then switch and bring the other knee to your other elbow and pause. You're doing this slowly. There you go, switch. Do your best. Just make sure you're doing the movement when the timer ends. This is your last move of the day. It is the hardest move in this workout, so do what you can do. You're doing amazing. Keep going. That was awesome. Give yourself a hug. Hug your knees to your chest and just gently rotate from side to side. This is a wonderful little massage for your back, which has worked so hard to support you throughout all these ab exercises. You worked hard today. You did a lot of different movements and I'm excited for you. Go ahead and just slowly roll up. Stand up at your own pace. Do not rush this. One vertebrae at a time. Just stand up. Queen. And then finally, I want you to put a slight bend in your knee. Give yourself a big hug. Think about what you just did. I just want to remind you that even though sometimes you think something is too hard for you to do, then you push yourself and you do it, you realize that you really do have power in you and you really are amazing, awesome, beautiful, wonderful. I love you so much. Thank you so much for working out with me today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see your fine face in my next workout video.